morning, guys. How are y'all doing? It is Sunday. We're about to head out. So we're at the park. I said no.
Yes, but
You have a. Thank you.
Look, this is so easy to do. Look at you.
Oh.
Alright, so what happened? What are we doing?
so they just built the zip line down at the Rock in Rio. Okay. We are here for our friend's B-Day. Only we were supposed to go to Gravity.
What happened with going to Gravity?
Well, apparently they don't. Apparently they don't do Sundays. So like, yeah. So if you're ever going to Gravity, remember,
Don't go on Sundays.
always go on Sundays and riot in front of their door.
We were gonna come here after anyway, but, now we're just here first.
Now we're just here. But today we're going to make Gravity here. So to show those lazy people that like weekends off that we can do stuff without them. Take that, Gravity!
This will be the entrance.
Go, 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 go! Oh!
The food's here. The party can start. Party can start now.
You guys want 5 pizzas? Because we have them.
I want 21 pizzas, please.
50 cents a
Okay, we'll
slice.
go
Okay.
Happy birthday.
Boom.
Happy birthday.
You do, I kill you.
He's ticklish. Well, everyone is.
Oh, no, 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 no. That.
I'm gonna put chili flakes on mine. I might not look like I like pepper, but I.
Dear Elena, happy birthday to you.
Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? 14? Are you 50? It's good though.
What's wrong? Is there a bug on me? Huh?
It looks like a spike.
She spilled cupcake on you. She laughed and spit it out.
Gone. Is that what it is? Ew, that's gross. That is so gross. Don't make her laugh, cake will come out of her nose.
It's gonna come out.
Oh, it's going up! It's going up!
Beautiful.
There you go.
Malachi is beautiful, just like Scooter Man.
I love that. Bye, Rainer.
Bye. See you later.
Next time we go to a movie theater, I'm getting Pringles. On your dingles.
When are we going? What movie do you?
I don't know, I just said when I do.
Good boy, stay. You wanna go see NEX? Come. Sit. 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 Stay.
Dude, the cat.
Go get him. Well, guys, we are finally back home, and it is like 5 o'clock. Really late in the day. I'm almost ready for dinner, actually. I'm going to find my laptop and lay down, and maybe I'll finish doing this. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
I'll wreck you if you put that thing on. I'll wreck you.
Get wrecked, son.
Get wrecked! Get wrecked!